Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Today is Sunday, 9th January 2022 and today welcome to my channel first of all welcome to my channel. आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे समुद्र ट्रैवलॉग्स पे। आज मैं बेसिकली कंटेंट मेरा ये है कि बेसिकली मैंने कुछ बुक्स ऑर्डर किए हैं अमेजोन से। मैथमेटिक्स बुक्स हैं ये 6 to 10 एक ऑर्डर था और 11 to 12 की मैथ्स का बुक्स ऑर्डर था। आई विल टेल यू द रीजंस व्हाई आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दिस बुक्स। फर्स्ट लेट मी अनबॉक्स। अभी तक पैकेट मैंने खोले नहीं है, जो अनबॉक्स करके आए हैं पैकेट्स। जो पैकेट्स अमेजन ने भेजे हैं वो हमने दिस वन टू बुक्स 11 to 12 की बुक्स है इसमें है ये। दिस कॉस्टेड मी 376 फॉर टू NCERT CBSE लेवल बुक्स एंड दिस वन है 6 to 10 5 बुक्स मैथमेटिक्स, जो कि है कॉस्टेड मी 799 800 ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 5 बुक्स। सो आई विल जस्ट अनबॉक्स इट। ये पहले ही खुला हुआ है, थोड़ा सा इसको अनबॉक्स कर देता हूँ। दिस आर ऑल मैथमेटिक्स बुक बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 6 to 10th एक लॉट है और एक 11th और 12th का बुक्स है बेसिकली ऑल डिलीवर्ड बाय अमेजन yesterday. I ordered it. I'll tell you the reasons why I've ordered it. Just let me unbox properly. सब टेक्स्ट बुक्स हैं बेसिकली NCERT की। So one by one I'll show you first. जो मैंने पहला लॉट खोला है इसमें 5 बुक्स है। देयर आर 5 बुक्स इन दिस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 6 to 10 मैथमेटिक्स। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 6। आई थिंक दिस कैमरा इज फ्रंट फेसिंग कैमरा, तो उल्टा आ रहा है इसमें, रिवर्स इट इज कमिंग रिवर्स डायरेक्शन, बट इज फॉर क्लास 6 NCERT CBSE मैथमेटिक्स बुक्स फॉर क्लास 6। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 6। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 7th। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 7th। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 8th, जो क्लास 8th मैथमेटिक्स बुक CBSE NCERT। This is for class 9th, so class 9th CBSE NCERT mathematics book for class 9th, and this is for class 10th. Amazon has delivered it yesterday. I ordered some 3-4 days back. Amazon has been delivered, able to deliver it yesterday. This is 800. It's costing me 800 for 5 books starting from 6 to 10th NCERT CBSE mathematics books. Now the second packet which I have has 11th and 12th mathematics books for NCS and CBSE NCERT. Okay, meanwhile, let me show you the books, then I'll tell you the reason why I ordered it. This is pretty challenging, this one. ये थोड़ा बड़ा है, इस पे अनबॉक्स करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है। ठीक है, इसमें एक और डबल पैकिंग है इसमें बेसिकली। सो आई हैव टू कट थ्रू दिस नाइफ। Because these are 11th and 12th books, these are a little exclusive than 6 to 10th, so that's why they have packed it properly 2-3 times. ये अब फिर से पैक्ड है, थर्ड टाइम इट इज पैक्ड। So finally I have been able to unbox these 11 to 12 books also, mathematics CBSE NCERT. And let me show you this properly then. This is for 11th. This is mathematics CBSE NCERT book for 11th textbook, and for 12th they have 2 parts. One part 1, this is, you can see, I don't know you will be able to see or not probably. This is part 1 class 12. This is part 2 class 12. So basically I have ordered from 6 to 10th one lot. It came and that costed me 800, 5 books from 6 to 10th CBSE and RT mathematics, and the other lot was 11th and 12th books and CBSE and NCERT mathematics. So 12th has 2 parts and 11th has 1 part only, and that costed me 376 these books. So I'll tell you the reason one by one. Basically there are basically 3 top reasons why I ordered these books, mathematics. Anyway, mathematics is my passion basically. I'm an engineer by profession. I always loved mathematics from my childhood and in my college days and everything. I'm an engineer by profession and I'm from IT Roorkee. So mathematics always fascinated me from childhood only. I was good at mathematics. I won't say that I was brilliant or something, but I know mathematics well. मैं अच्छी मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट था, तो मैथमेटिक्स में अच्छा करता था। आई ऑलवेज डिड गुड मैथमेटिक्स, स्कोरिंग 90+ इन माई आउट ऑफ 100 इन बोथ माई 10th and 12th. So the reason I tell you is, first reason is that See, almost 40 years of age, 50, 60 to 70 years experience in the IT industry basically. So this age, what happens is when you are middle-aged with children and all, and a lot of responsibilities. So, and middle-aged, lot of things are revolving around mind. So keep the mind sharp and sharp. दिमाग को खुले रखने के लिए, sharp रखने के लिए आपको mathematics करनी चाहिए basically. You should keep doing mathematics, normal mathematics, calculations and formulas and other things as well. आपको करते रहना चाहिए इस एज में, मिडिल एज में, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मेमोरी भी वीक धीरे धीरे होने लगता है कि 40+. सो थोड़ा सा मेमोरी अपना एक्टिवेट रखने के लिए और दिमाग को थोड़ा एक्टिवेट रखने के लिए यू शुड कीप योर माइंड एक्टिवेटेड. यू शुड डू मैथमेटिक्स. दैट इज वन एडवाइस टू ऑल द मिडिल एज पीपल फ्रॉम 35 to 45 who are 35 40 and have children, 2 or 3 children by now, or one to 2 children, or 2 3 children by now. They should keep doing mathematics, should keep their mind and memory active basically. So the second reason is my child. This generation, you know, my child and everyone's child these days are attracted towards electronic gadgets, more like phones and laptops and tabs and TV. Addiction is there, so they won't like to study these kind of bookish stuff, right? So what I'll do is when I do this bookish stuff, I'll take up a pen and paper and start solving these questions and start reading the questions. My child will see accordingly. He will sit with me accordingly, and he'll see that dad is doing something, that I must also do something. He will attracted towards his bookish studies rather than electronic gadgets. So second reason is this, and third reason is basically growing up. He'll also read mathematics in school, starting from 6 onwards. I have books from 6 onwards now. So starting from 6 onwards, if I want to make his math strong, I'll have to teach him properly so that he goes to engineering or medical or any exams, competitive exams he wants to clear. These books will help later also when I teach him mathematics. And if he has a mathematics strong base, he'll be able to clear most of the exams, most of the engineering or medical or any exams. So that is what these books are awarded for. There are 2-3 reasons, big reasons. And I love doing mathematics basically. I'll spare time rather than watching too much of TV, or rather I was sitting on my phone continuously. Probably I'll do, or in front of my iPad or my basically laptop, watching too much of stuff, OTTs and all. I'll probably do a lot of good amount of mathematics and keep my mind activated and keep myself active. At least my mind will be active basically. At least what do you call? Basically that is what it will keep active. Memory should be also activated and all. So that is what यही reason है basically mathematics की books order करने का. A lot of books are there. So you also can, if you have spare time, like work from life balance is very good in my company. And I've already done 16-17 years. I'm at mid level of my career, and work life balance is very good. So I got spare time after my office also. So I'll do this mathematics. I'll study mathematics and refresh my childhood memories, and that will help my child also when I teach him basically. So this is the video for today, and enjoy the video. And this is advice for all the mid-aged people from 35 to 45 who have children also and who want to keep themselves active mentally. So this is the advice for today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe and watch the video, and subscribe to the channel Samudra Travelogs. I'll keep making these videos, this kind of videos, entertainment videos, travel videos, and also knowledgeable videos, basically tutorial kind of videos. So enjoy the videos, and keep come to my channel, keep looking to my channel Samudra Travelogs. Thank you, thanks a lot. Bye, see you.